This 214-inch Pierce PUC rescue pumper features 1,000 gallons of water and full height, full depth storage on both sides. This unit was delivered to Glick Fire as an empty vehicle. All the shelving, tool boards, and pull-out trays you see were fabricated in our fabrication department. Even the spatter gray paint matches what Pierce would do from factory. Hi everyone, I'm Jake Bachman, account manager with Glick Fire Equipment. Today we're going to be looking at Bareville's engine 31. This 2021 Pierce Enforcer PUC Pumper has all custom tool fabrication and mounting by Glick Fire Equipment. Let's take a closer look at some of the options on engine 31. This 7010 Enforcer cab features seating for 8 firefighters. One of the biggest conveniences of the PUC pump is the low cross lays. We have two 200-foot 1 3/4 triple lays, one 200-foot 2.5, and storage for a backboard and 4 New York style pike poles. The first compartment in the body is the pump panel. At 31 inches, it keeps the pump panel very compact and keeps your operator in an easy position to operate all controls. It also features a notched recess for the light tower controller. This engine has a 7.5-foot Wilbert light tower on top. The 50.5-inch compartment immediately behind the pump panel features a pull-out tray to store all the appliances the driver may need. The driver's side over-the-wheel compartment features a manifold, floating strainer, high-rise pack, and some pony sections of hose. In the driver's side rear compartment, we have a pull-out tray with vent saws, storage for a ram fan, a marriage, and some small hand tools. There's also a little giant. Powered by a Cummins L9, engine 31 has TAC4 independent front suspension and a 31,000-pound rear axle. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, we have a 27.5-inch tall compartment, vertical ladder storage through the water tank, and a rear inlet outlet. In the rear compartment, we have a 200-foot 1-inch booster reel. In order to maximize compartment space with 1,000 gallons of water, the ladders are stored through a tunnel that go through the center of the water tank. It keeps the water tank out of the compartment sides, so we have full 26-inch deep compartments both sides. Hard sleeve storage is provided behind the door spools through the side of the body in these compartments on either side. The officer's side rear compartment has a lot of stabilization tools on vertical pull-out trays. In addition to the stabilization equipment in the rear compartment, there's an oil dry hopper for 150 pounds of oil dry above in the hatch area with a chute that runs down through the wall with a valve right here. So you can place your bucket under the rig, open the valve, fill the bucket, and close it. In the officer's side over-the-wheel compartment, there's battery-powered equipment on a pull-out tilt-down shelf. With shoreline power provided in this compartment, these batteries will remain charged at all times. The officer's side ahead of the wheel compartment has the company's rescue tools. Hydraulic tools are provided on a pull-out tilt-down tray for easy access. Both sides of the apparatus feature pull-out trays under the body. One of the biggest benefits of the PUC chassis is what Pierce calls the jump-off compartment. On a normal truck, this would be the passenger side pump panel, but on the PUC, it's a full-height, full-depth compartment. Bareville Fire Company has an excellent junior program. In order to keep juniors interested, Chief Smith opted to have 2 fold-up seats with no SCBA in the rear seat bracket. The fold-up seats allow the juniors not to take up space for an interior qualified firefighter. In addition to all the mounting in the body, Glick Fabrication mounted all the equipment inside the cab, fabricating mat boxes, glove storage, and overhead storage for vests and other items. One of the best features of the Enforcer cab is the set back officer's seat. Gives the officer more knee room to the dash and also allows the driver to see past the officer into his mirror without leaning forward. With a 22-inch front bumper, engine 31 has a 6-inch front inlet, 2 sections of 5-inch supply line, and a 200-foot section of 1 3/4 trash line. It also has laser cut lettering in the front with Nathan K5 LA train horns behind the bumper.